Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Swapnali if you are new here, because I am getting a lot of new subscribers. So, welcome to my channel. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you my two favorite hair serums. Now, both these serums are for the scalp. Okay, I also have something for the actual hair, and maybe I will show that in my next video. But this is, I think, part one because I do have a couple of other serums as well, which I use for my hair, but I did not want to overload you guys with too much information because that can get really overwhelming and boring. So I have these two serums, and both of them are water based. So it's really lightweight. Even if you have straight hair, curly hair, whatever, the serum is great. Both these serums, they work on making your hair thicker and denser. And who doesn't want thick hair? Like I don't know a single person till today who has said I do not want thick hair. We all want thick hair. Am I right? Um, Thick hair can be difficult. People who have thick hair always keep cribbing, but guys, don't. Just be grateful that you have thick hair and do not crib. Okay. So I have these two serums and I'll show you both. Like, first, let me start with this serum, which is by Thrive.co, and this is their hair serum 2.0. Now, if you see, they have Redensil, Anagen, uh, Procapil, and some other extract it is. So the ingredients seem really good, and let me show you the consistency also, because why not? Look at that. Okay, it is completely water based, and the way you have to apply the serum is sort of take take some take some serum and just sort of do like this and apply the serum. Also, guys, if you are thinking why is my background looking different, because there was a painting here which I have removed because we had to clean this stuff, and the painting is so heavy I'm not able to put it up on my own. So in the next video the painting will be back. Okay, so yeah, this is a very lightweight and water based serum, and it because it has redensil, anagen, and pro Capel, it will help with the with producing or generating baby hair, which will then become your long thick hair. The only thing is, I have not seen the serum easily available. It's not available on all these Swiggy and Flipkart things, and I don't think this one is either now that I think. But this was also not available on Amazon the last time I checked because I wanted to buy one more bottle, so I had to go on the site and buy. But I will again check if it's available on Amazon, and if it is, I'll put the link in the description box below in case you want to buy. The serum is really good. However, this does not have any fragrance. Huh. It does not have any fragrance. It does smell like rosemary, by the way, huh? So it does smell like rosemary. However, now this other serum. Now both these things I got in PR, which is why I got to try both this hair serums out. And guys, see, my job of sorts, you can say, although I do have a business which is like my main job, you can say, but if you have to talk about my work is to try out different products for you guys. Now I am recommending a couple of different products, but you don't have to go and buy every single product I'm telling you guys. Just don't buy every single thing. The see, I have all these things, but let's say I start loving this serum or I start loving this serum, I can't keep using this serum because I have some packet which has come which I have to try because I have to create content around that. So don't ever feel that I have more products than you, because I really don't. Like, so many products, I have just gotten them, I have not paid for them, and I don't know whether they are good, they're not good. I just have to go on the brand's words. Now, having said that, most of the products are actually good. It's not like they're bad or anything, but I'm just trying to tell you that don't buy everything. Just buy what you really need, and if you like something, just stick to it. If you already have a hair serum which is working great for you, you don't have to listen to me and buy another one. If you don't need it, you don't need it. You know what I'm saying? Now this next one, which is from Brulair, the caffeine and phytopeptide scalp serum. I really like that they have mentioned scalp serum. A lot of other brands say hair serums, and it's kind of confusing because the ingredients are for the scalp. Here they have said scalp serum, so that's really good. Also, the packaging and all is really nice. This is nice too, but this is just, can you see it's a different vibe? Now this has caffeine, 2% caffeine, phytopeptide at 5%. Then it has redensil at 3%. And I do not think here they have mentioned the percentage. And what happens is when the percentage is not mentioned, um, you don't know how much of the actual active ingredients are there. You know what I'm saying? Because there is no rule or anything wherein there has to be this much amount of active ingredients or anything. No, you can even add 0.0001% of the active ingredient and claim that just you can just write that active ingredient's name right here or right here. I'm not saying this is bad because this is really good. I feel like I'm trying to. It's seeming like I like this one more than this one. The only reason I like this one more is because the ingredients or the active ingredients are mentioned in percentages, and the smell, the fragrance of this is so good. And I have received a couple of other hair serums as well, and out of all those hair serums, I have liked these two. Okay, especially my dad and stuff, they all have been loving this. So if you want something for your boyfriends, husbands, fathers, definitely check this out. I think they're inclined to that fragrance or the look or texture, I don't know. um yeah, then it also has aloe vera at 56%. So it's probably aloe vera hydrosol. And then there is natural scalp energizing base, which is 34%. So that's basically going to be distilled water, maybe some glycerin. You'll have to, not you, I will have to go through the ingredients to figure that out. But yeah, that's that. Now, the thing is, let me just also show you this product. Ooh, just some went on my laptop, which I don't want to waste it. I don't want to waste it, you guys. It was on my laptop, and also my laptop's damn expensive. Because I had another laptop, but on that laptop I was not able to use Premiere Pro, and I had to buy this laptop. I had to like really like I had to buy it, and then I bought it, and now I treat this laptop like, with so much importance, because without this laptop, guys, I would have been nowhere. So I just have two big investment sort of products which I have purchased, which is, one is this laptop and one is the camera, because they both are worth it. And I am just so happy to have them, and I wanted them for the longest of time, and I got them. Also, guys, the fragrance of this is so good. It is so refreshing. It is so good. For the fragrance alone, I just love this product, and I will recommend, if you want your hair to smell good and you want to apply a product. Are you guys able to hear the fatakas? Because a lot, like, it's Diwali. It is 29th, and there's a lot of fatakas which are like, people are, whatever, bursting them. So yeah, this is the fragrance, guys. I just love it. I don't know what, like, maybe it reminds me of something. I don't know. It's just like it has a hint of floral, a hint of aqua, just something so soothing. So, for the fragrance alone and the fact that they have mentioned the percentages, I do have a favorite, and it is this one. I said what I said. I said, don't think this is my favorite, but after talking and sharing stuff with you guys, I realized this is my favorite. This is my second favorite. Okay, so yeah, but both these products are good. Definitely give them a try. If you are someone who wants to go in for the more natural rosemary type fragrance for your hair, go in for this one. The way I am using them is I use this in the morning and this in the night. Okay, that's how I am using them, because I love both of them. And yeah, the only difference is this also has anagain, which is a very powerful and potent ingredient when it comes to, what is the word for, like, baby hair coming. Now, obviously, redensil is there in both the serums, but this one has anagen, which this one does not. So that's how I have been using both. Now if you have extreme hair fall and you um, are in extreme and desperate need to make your hair thicker, I would actually recommend going for this one. Although the percentages are not given, I just feel whenever I use this, my hair fall literally stops in 2 to 3 days. Whereas this is something which not only hydrates my hair, but whenever I have dandruff, I have noticed my dandruff actually goes away whenever I start using this hair serum. So yeah, I think that is the end point or end line. If you want to have thicker, longer, stronger hair, go in for this serum, thrive.co, the hair serum 2.0. And if you have dry hair, frizzy hair, dandruff, that kind of hair, go in for this one. And if you have both, you have all the problems in the world with your hair like I do, go in for both these products. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, because I have all the problems, I have other hair products as well which I apply. And yeah, I'm gonna share those products with you really soon. But yeah, currently I have been loving these two, so I thought let me share them with you. And thank you so much for watching. I am firstly so grateful, not firstly, lastly, because I'm at the end of the video, but I'm really grateful to everybody who's subscribing. You guys really do not know how long it has taken me to kind of grow my channel. What am I saying? Not grow, just be consistent and be here on this channel. My channel is not really growing, but that's okay. I'm just trying to be consistent with my content, and I'm just, showing up and putting myself out there. And I think that's all that you can do, or like that's all that I can do from my end. And yeah, you just got to work like they say in that, what, Bhagavad Gita, I don't know. Karam ki karam karo, phal ki chinta mat karo. That's something actually my boyfriend's mom has been telling me a lot, which I completely agree with. So that is what I'm doing. I'm doing the karam. I am not waiting for I'm not doing the chinta of the fal. So let's see where that takes us. And if you follow and if you subscribe, I love you so much. Thank you so much. Also, do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is going to be down below. But if you really want to, you can just search skincare with swap. I've kept it simple. It's really simple to remember. Skincare with swap. That's my YouTube. That's my Instagram. That's my everything, skincare with swap. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Also, guys, we have Molly here who has given me company today. And yeah, I'll see you guys next in my next video. Take care. I'll see you really soon.